To enable WhatsApp's sharing function, go to the configuration section and check the Enable WhatsApp Dialer option. Once you have selected the option, press the Run button. You will see that in the lower right corner of the render window, a WhatsApp Dialer button appears. Press the button and enter the number you want to send the video to. By checking the option that says First Send this message, you can predefine a text to send to the loaded number. Once you have entered the number and typed the predefined text, press the Start Chat button. A WhatsApp chat will open with the number and text entered. Here you must attach the generated video in order to send it. Finish this step by pressing Send.